I'm headed to a close to the Loop, West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at Presidential Towers. I'm in apartment 3511, a one-bedroom in Tower 3, looking south over a sweeping view that even includes a tiny view of Lake Michigan. Looking over the park, turning for a view out to the west, looking over the Kennedy Expressway, out to the great West Loop dining scene. This is a bright, sunny apartment. Looking at a nice sized living dining area, plenty of space to lay out your furniture, wide plank flooring throughout the living areas. Kitchen has a breakfast bar peninsula. There's pendant lighting above it. White quartz marble veined countertops. Tile backsplash. There's a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment and a double bowl undermount stainless steel sink. Ice maker in the fridge. Dishwasher, 4-burner electric range, and a built-in microwave. Overall, good cabinet and counter space. Attractively updated kitchen. But oh, the light in this living area, really great. Turning for a look at where you would have entered the apartment. You have a wide closet off to your left as you enter, and another closet off to your right. Bedroom is generously sized. It's carpeted, plenty of space for your king-size bed, additional furniture, home office desk, and those great windows looking out to the south. Walk-in closet in the bedroom. The bath is directly opposite the bedroom. There's a nice sized vanity with drawers for storage. Attractive gray tile on the floor and in the tub surround. And you have a soaking tub with tile up to the ceiling. Presidential Towers has an appealing West Loop location. It's always popular. It's great amenities, wide selection of apartments. Definitely want Presidential Towers on your must-see list. Head to Presidential Towers' website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.